guys. Today we are going to see one of the very basic question of an array. So let me share the screen. So here you can see that we have one question based on array where we have to find out what is the sum of the elements in the given array. So what we can you can see here that we have one function which is the sum of the elements where we are passing the one array. So now what we have to do, we have to find the sum of all these elements in the given array. So what we can do is like I can write int sum. I'm going to create a one temporary variable which is going to have all the result of the sum of all these elements. And after that, what we have to do, we have to also iterate over the entire array. So I'm going to use the enhanced for loop int element, which is going to give me the one element one by one from the given array. And then what we can do, we can simply use the compound statement equals to. So my final output is going to be stored inside the sum, and at the end I am just simply going to return me the sum. So now let's check that how to do that. Let me call this function, and here it is going to be int result is equals to the sum of elements, and we are passing the array, and simply I'm going to print this result. So let me write sum of elements, and here I'm going to pass the variable result, and at the end we will simply run this code, save it and run the code. Run on Java application, and now you can see this, we are getting the output as a 36. So this is how we can find out how to write the logic, how to get the sum of the elements of array. Understand the concept. See you another day. Thank you.